tea. One day early morning, Buddha came just like this with one kerchief to his congregation. He had 10,000 disciples around him and he told the group how to remove this knot. One brave strong disciple. Oh, what is there? Buddha, please give me. He took the kerchief and is this the way? No. Our fear is also just like this knot. When you try to suppress the fear, when you try to escape from the fear, what you do? You do only this. Way to come out of the fear is look into it, open it. Then you will see the fear does not exist at all. So looking into it and opening it is the only method, not suppressing it or escaping from it.
I know ghosts, I know that there is no ghosts. Yeah, my brain knows that, my heart knows that. But whenever I go see a horror movie and I come home, why for the next 10 days I can't get over that?
Because it is recorded in Swadhisthana. It is recorded in the chakra. It is something more deeper than the intellectual level. I tell you one thing. She asked a beautiful question about horror movies. Even if my intellect knows why I am seeing for next 10 days after seeing a horror movie the same thing, cinema or movie goes much deeper than your intellect, your logic. According to people who work on the movements of the eyes, have you heard of the rapid movements of the eyes? Your eyes can tolerate only 6 frames per second. If you are seeing something, per second, if 6 frames move, your eyes can grasp it. Or your logic and your eyes will have a connection. Your logic, they say in the yoga, the consciousness will exist in the eyes. You need to understand this one thing very seriously. It's a very important thing. In front of your eyes, if the scene changes 6 times per second, till that much of limit, your eyes will have the logic, or your logic will have connection with the eyes. Whatever you see, you will be able to analyze and record. But if the frames are more than 6 per minute, per second, the connection between the eyes and the logic will give gap. Whatever is seen will be directly recorded without the interference of logic, without the sensor of consciousness. Logic will not censor, because logic cannot bear more than 6 frames per second. In movies, how many frames per second it changes? 12 to 16. Minimum of 12, maximum of 16. So that is why after few minutes, only for first 10 minutes you think that it's a movie. After 10 minutes, you completely get lost in the movie. You know it is nothing but a screen and just few colors playing. But you cry with it, you laugh with it, your whole emotion is totally reacting or responding to that white cloth. Your logic knows, your intellect knows, It is not actually happening. But your whole emotion responds to it. Your whole being responds to it. If some horrible scenes are shown, you feel frightened. If some depression scenes are shown, you feel depressed. Your logic loses its control over your eyes if the frames are more than 6 per second. In movies, your eyes are just bombarded with 12 frames per second. That is why whatever you see in the movies, even if you again and again remember how much you are educated man, how big great logician, how big philosopher you are, it simply goes and gets recorded. This is the reason all over the world, in all the culture, movie stars enter into politics and they are successful. Because beyond your logic, it is recorded in your system already, he is a hero. Not only in India, even in California. No, really. Really. Because it is totally recorded in your mind. Beyond your logic, it is already recorded. He is a hero. How much you try to logically remove the hero-dom or herohood from that person, you cannot disconnect. You cannot separate these two. The person and thinking of him as a hero. It cannot be separated because when those informations enter inside your system, you don't have a logic as a security, as a sensor for you. It's a very important thing to be understood. Anybody who has got a doubt, they can ask.
Swami, what happens when you watch violent movies?
It happens to you. Your whole being becomes violent. Either you get the fear, if you are an aggressive man, you get the same violent nature. If you are a passive man, you get frightened. That is why somebody asked me, Swamiji, when the Kali age, the dark age is born, they say this age is Kali Yuga, the dark age. When the Kali age is born, I told the day TVS entered into the houses, that is the day Kali age is born. Most of the time, of course, very few times it is used for good things, but very few times, most of the time, it is becoming a weapon to destroy our beings. Continuously, hours together, your logic is put aside. What will happen to your logic? What will happen to the capacity of analyzing? It will become dull. It will become dull. There was some research, I heard about it. I read about it. Yeah, scene was created as if an accident has happened on the roadside in India. And police are waiting. How many persons go and respond or react to it? They say, in popular cities, nobody responds. Then people who all crashed that side, they all were called and a research study is done on them. The research report shows a strange thing. Continuously seeing accidents, all these type of things in the movies and cinemas and TVs, we became insensitive to all those things. The actually acting or reacting has become totally dull. Your whole being becomes insensitive because of this. That is why they call it idiot box, which makes you idiot. In India, average 2 to 3 hours, everybody sees TV. In America, I heard 4 hours. So, I read a report, average 4 hours. That's what they say, couch potatoes. Have you heard this word? Couch potatoes. sitting in front of that coach, in the sofa, glued in the sofa, and all those food stuff, pizza, burger, hot dog, coke, full of the people. By the time program is over, the tipa is also over. You do not know what you ate and how much has gone inside. What to do? All right. But at least understand this one thing. Whenever your eyes are bombarded more than 12 frames per second, your logic is put aside. You have security. Logic is your security. Your awareness is your security. To allow the data, whether to allow it or not. To safeguard yourself from the unnecessary data, unnecessary informations. Your logic only stays as a security. The security is just pushed aside, and directly you are exploited. Whatever information want to be sent to you, it directly enters you without any self-protective mechanism. And that is why all the advertisement agencies, they catch TV. So without even your awareness, it will be recorded in you. When you go to mall, you just naturally ask E. You ask for that same brand. Whenever something is advertised, whenever it is registered in your system, when you go to mall, naturally you pick up only that brand, because beyond your logic it is recorded. Okay. Now let us enter into the, because you raised some question about horror movies, I have to tell all these things. But it is really necessary information. Now we will work on the 4 different layers of fear, one by one, penetrating into each layer.